Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
Hey everyone, Toronto Ty here, and I am going to take you on a trip on Jokey's Jalopies. Fun times. So as I mentioned in one of my previous trivia times, the original name of Jokey's Jalopies was Wonder Tour. Now, you can see some cute little animals along your path right now. Fun fact, right over here, that's actually where the south side track used to be. There used to be two tracks, and you can see that, the remnants of it going over the bridge here, where the queue for the fly is, and where the mini golf was, and all that. Oh, it appears we hit a dead spot. Fun times. Oh, there we go. I believe that does occasionally happen on this ride. Well, yeah, fun times heading around. Oh, looks like that tree might be marked for removal. That's no good. Geese. And you get a nice little look at the backside of the fly here. It's honestly a really nice ride. I love going on this. I don't go on it very often because it is in the kids park, but it is suitable for, everyone. There is no max height, which is refreshing. But yeah, so all kinds of fun stuff around here. And there are the little trains, which they do have a max height, which means that I can't take you on those ones. So another interesting thing about this ride, it does have a steering wheel, which does absolutely nothing, compared to some of the other rides, similar rides at other parks, where they do have the ability to steer a little bit from side to side. This also has no gas pedal, like I believe the ones at Cedar Point do, if I remember correctly. But yeah, you get nice views of treetop adventure, all kinds of fun along the ride. So, going back to those animals that you can see on the ride, like that little fox over there, they're actually part of when they redid Treetop Adventure. Then my understanding is that there's a little sign inside the helicopters that says, can you find them all? And you have to look for all the different animals that are spread out throughout the area. So while you're going along Treetop Adventure, you can see them, but while you're on Jokey's Jalopies, you can see many of them. There are also quite a few geese that like to hang out over here. I have heard stories of their ride being closed because the ride operators have to head out and scare off the geese because they just don't want to get off the tracks. This ride does also go down for rain because of the electric rail. So if you're here on a rainy day, unfortunately you can't go on it. But other than that, it is a really fun time. And I mean, honestly, I love the forest here, and just seeing all these different views of the weeping willows. It's really peaceful, a really nice ride. And that will about do it. As you can see, Bambi here, cute little deer. And this one's actually a 3D statue, which is cool. Fun times. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, until next time, have a good one.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.